Hey guys, it's Jonesy. Well, I'm in between storm showers here at the moment. I have got the 450 Pro out that I crashed 2 weeks ago. Main shaft, feathering shaft, blades, skids. So this is its first flight. And it's basically just to make sure everything's all good. The blade tracking looks pretty good. There's a little bit of a bobble. Well, that's always a good test for it. Yeah, so that all looks pretty good. So yeah, appears to be back to its old self. Very tempted to try the 402 Taro firmware. I know it's only a test version or pre-release, but if they wait too much longer to bring out the final release, then I'm not going to wait. I'm going to whack it on. G'day to all the guys on the forums. Ingleburn, mate, looks like you got that inverted sorted. Good stuff. I see Simon's got a 402 video up this morning, which I haven't watched. Judging by the description, sounds like he's a happy camper. Good to see Rob around again. Looking forward to seeing some of your videos again, Rob. Brian, I know you're still gallivanting around the place, working and camping and musicals and all sorts of things, music festivals. I noticed you've cranked up the MCPX as well. I've actually got I really need to get my Nano out and fly it again, but it's been months now since I've flown it. Well, that was a bit wild. Had a bit of rudder on that one. So yeah, I was pretty lucky with this one. From the crash the other day, the grass is quite soft down there, and yeah, I did start the timer. we go. And it's just starting to rain, so that is very good timing. There we go, guys. She's back. Thanks for watching.